Hello everyone, today I have the Hermes lipstick unboxing for you. I am so excited to open it and try it on as it is my first lipstick from Hermes. This is a Christmas gift from my friend. Thank you, Myra. I love it. This really makes a great gift for your sister, your mom, or a special friend in your life. I love the packaging. The box has the Hermes drawing. It's simple, but it looks like the gift was well thought of or picked specially for you. I am really enjoying unboxing this. So if you're new here to my channel and you love fashion and unboxing, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a new video. So I guess this is the gift receipt. Let's see. Oh, it's a Christmas card. It says, "Merry Christmas, stay blessed, Myra." Aww, this is so nice. She's also the same friend who got the Louis Vuitton mini pochette for me when she went to Las Vegas in Thanksgiving. I did an unboxing on that mini pochette and I hope that you'll be able to watch it after this video. And here is the orange box. Let's open it. I've always wanted to try this lipstick. I only have the Chanel and YSL lipsticks. I'm so glad to add this in my makeup collection. It has the Hermes logo here and the color number 45 Rose Ombré satin lipstick. It is made in Italy. This is so cool. When you try to close the lipstick, it just snaps shut. Looks like there's a magnet inside here. I love how the lipstick glides when you apply it on your lips. It's pigmented. I applied it 2 times and I got the right amount of color. I like that it has a light scent to it but not overpowering. I like that it gives moisture and not drying, and it also doesn't have a perfume taste even if it is lightly scented. The color is somewhat pinkish brown. Mauve is how I refer to it. If you haven't yet, please follow me on Instagram at shopblocks and I'll link it down here for you. I would love to have more colors of their lipsticks in my collection and maybe try their nail polish too next time. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!